ones captured to share on social media and on news sites highlight the hope and relief so many are feeling after such a challenging 2020. Yesterday, the Department of Health received a shipment of 975 of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. The St. Louis County Health Department will begin vaccinating its clinical employees on Friday, and other patient-facing healthcare workers in St. Louis County not connected to a hospital provider on Monday. These healthcare workers are in the 1A category of vaccine recipients as defined by the state, which is overseeing the distribution of the vaccine. The Health Care Department will be providing vaccinations to 1A workers across the county until notified by the state to proceed to the next category. Healthcare workers not connected to a hospital provider are examples like dentists, school nurses, behavioral health, substance abuse providers, optometrists, and physical therapists. We believe there are potentially several thousand 1A healthcare workers still to be vaccinated, and we have begun reaching out to those with whom we are not currently connected. At this time, though, no vaccines are available to the general public. The Health Department will continue to follow state and federal guidelines to determine who qualifies for vaccinations moving forward. Information will be posted on stlcorona.com as it develops, and I'll certainly provide updates at these morning media briefings. With focus on vaccines, it's important to stress that we cannot let our expectations cloud the reality. COVID-19 is still spreading in our community, and we must continue to follow our public health protocols and protect the health and safety of everyone. We are hopeful about vaccines, but healthcare is a large industry with a large number of workers in the 1A category. And we'll be working to vaccinate our healthcare workers for the next several weeks. When the state says it's acceptable to do so, we will move to vaccinate those in the 1B category. At this time, we don't have a timeline for that. We have asked for more vaccines, and our County Health Department stands ready to ramp up staffing and administer as many vaccines as the state will allow us to have when they become available. We're hopeful for a steady supply, but we have already seen from our hospital partners that there can be issues with the supply chain. We don't want to create a false expectation. As we get vaccine in hand, we'll quickly let those who are eligible know. Across the country, the vaccine supply has not been as robust as we had hoped. We're moving as fast as we can based on the vaccine we have available. So thanks to all of you for staying safe and being patient. This pandemic will continue to negatively impact our community for months until the vaccine is widely available. Together we can curb this virus. I'd be happy to answer any questions.
Dr. Page, we have a couple of questions regarding the council meeting last night from Public Radio, regarding the vote on the chairman. How would you respond to people like Councilwoman-elect Shalonda Webb, who says the move last night disenfranchised voters in her district?
Well, I think the charter amendments by the Charter Commission are frustrating for a lot of people on the council, frustrating for everyone. But and the Charter Commission made these amendments. Many of the council staff were part of the Charter Commission, and we know now that there was an error. And I think moving forward, based on the conversation of the council members, there'll be an effort to change that, to make sure that in the future, the swearing in of the council members are better aligned with the charter requirements for choosing a leader.
And a follow-up to that, are you concerned that the actions like last night will make it more difficult to piece together a majority coalition to pass important legislation for the county?
Oh, no, not at all. I think the council has been sharply divided over the response to the pandemic now for several months, but we're moving to the other side of the pandemic. It's still going to take several months to get there, but we will get there. And the campaigns are over. The council was certainly sharply divided during the political campaigns. But Councilwoman-elect Webb is very committed to economic development in North County, as I am, very committed to protecting the health and welfare of everyone in St. Louis County as I am. We have weekly conversations discussing these issues, and I expect, and I'm certain we'll have a great relationship moving forward. Okay, thank you.